Hi, my name is Varun Raju. I don't know why he's making me do this. Now he's
Louder,
standing.
please, because you're Anirudh's friend. Okay, he's gonna take a video of me. This is called scarf through rope through neck. Many of you might be knowing this, but it might not come now. So I'm very bad at this. Okay, so I have it double wrapped.
Whoa!
Okay, I'm gonna reveal this.
That's so cool!
I fooled Varun by telling him that it's a magnetic rope and all that shit.
I didn't believe that.
You believe that?
No, I didn't.
Actually, this is just a shoelace.
I didn't.
You did.
I didn't.
Okay, anyways, you need a rope or magic rope or something. A scarf also will work till your toe and your head. Then you put that around like that. Make sure your left hand is touching your knee. Your right hand is going to the waist. Here, like that. Then you take your right hand, place it on your chest where your heart is and hold that. Do that with your left hand but place it below. You take this, you go make a loop like that. Okay. Then you need this hand, the left hand one. You take this one, put the loop back and get that. So you should have something like that. You see in slow-mo, that's the one which takes it out. So I'll just do that once more. Okay.
Whoa, that's how he does it.
Okay, so I have it here. But if you do it in like a fast motion, it gives the illusion that it's going through. I'll give you some tips on this, like you can do it to he or she if she has a scarf and all this stuff or something. Or if Varun's an idiot, yeah, you can do that.
Thanks.
Please stop the video. Please.
Wait, how do I stop it?
Please.